Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a witch's hat. The witch's hat is another symbol of the Halloween season, so let's get into that. You can use any marker you want. I'm going to be using this Faber-Castell PITT artist pen. Like the name is so scratched off, you can't really see it anymore. But I will put it in the description if you are curious. I'll put the Amazon link in the description. But yeah, let's go over how to draw a witch's hat. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button to not miss a single video. I'm going to be posting like crazy until Halloween. Let's get into the season. So this video is for beginners and kids and up. So if you're a beginner, you're in the right spot. So let's get going. I'm going to pull a straight line up. Witch's hat, remember? Curved line. That's on the outer side. The witch's hat's going to be leaning over. Pulling in. Here, another little kind of layer to it. It's kind of kink right here. It's going to be falling over. Think of like a crumbling hat. That's the point. A little bit of squishiness on this side. And pull down. And pull in. So that'll be kind of the pointy part of the hat that's folding over. Pulling out right here. That's going to be the brim of the hat. Pulling out. Now we're going to draw a box right here. Another box. A line right here, which is that kind of that rope. It's basically a belt on the hat. And that's kind of the buckle of the belt. And now what we're going to do is we're going to draw another box. It doesn't have to be a box, actually. It could be, we want to draw patches on the hat to make the hat look old. You can draw them anywhere you want, but you can draw a box. I'm just picking random spots and drawing them. And then when I get to that, I'm going to draw these sewing marks. And those are essentially going to be random. I'm just going to put them along the edges of the boxes that I just drew. And that's to make the hat look old and used. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is a witch's hat. Also, I'm going to do the thing I always say I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a thicker line around the border to make it look more like, I don't know, like a design element, a sticker design element. It's just kind of what's going on. And that's it. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you watching. This has been a really fun video to do. Give me ideas in the comments below. Also, let me know what you're gonna do for Halloween. I'm really curious. There's a lot of the same people that comment, so I love it. I want to know what you guys are doing for Halloween, all of you. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, there are drawing templates. There are basically these 6-step drawing templates for every drawing. Well, about 100. There's selling about 100 of them for $5, so that's 5 cents per drawing guide. And each drawing guide, like I said, is 8.5 by 11. It's a PDF kind of file, and you can print out these drawing guides for fun, for parties, for kind of just yourself to have in like a book. But yeah, that is, you can check that out in the description below. It's on my Gumroad account. They're basically little drawing guides on, and it'll show you an example of one there too. Just go check out the information and decide for yourself. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you for the people who've already purchased that. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.